Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we're firing up the Lone Star Grill offset smoker, and we're gonna spatchcock us a turkey. You guys stay tuned. Let me show you how this turkey comes out, doing it JP style. Check it out. Ooh, man! Woke up this morning and it was chilly. So I went to my local supermarket, guys. I got me a little bit over a 9-pounder here. And what I'm gonna do is spatchcock it. And spatchcock it means taking the spine out, laying it flat, and cooking it that style. What it allows is laying it flat, a much even cooking temperature, and the moisture is just there. Okay, it retains a lot of that moisture and comes out to be very delicious turkey. So we're gonna go ahead and spatchcock it. I got my gloves on and I got my liner glove on here as well, because spatchcocking a turkey is a little bit different than spatchcocking chickens. Chickens are a little bit easier to spatchcock. I want to be careful trying to take the spine out of here. Just look at the size of these wings. Well, some good sized wings. Here we go. Got my Dell Strong knife here, and I'm just gonna go around the back. And this is a young turkey, so it might be a little bit easier to cut. Here we go. Usually by the time you get down to the thigh, it gets a little tougher. You may have to jump over that and then kind of just like wiggle your way through this thigh area. Here we go. There it is. I'll drive through it. So we got one side spatchcocked or cut. Let me see if I can get this other side, get this bone out of here. Okay, that's cutting pretty easy. Make sure you got you a nice sharp knife as well. Get on the back side over here. Cut that other side of the thigh. And then just, there we go. And cut that tail off. There's the spine. Nobody wants the tail. And one turkey spatchcocked. Let me put this over here to the side, and we'll get this turkey, see if we can get it to lay flat. Turkeys have that bone that's right in the middle of the breast, and it's a little tougher bone. So I'm gonna do my best to try to score right through it. I think last time what I did, I had to take the bone out itself, and that was fun. But being that it's just a young turkey, you know, it may not be too difficult to do. There we go. Make sure you don't cut all the way through. And there's that bone that I'm talking about right there. That bone, I think I had to take it out last time because it just wouldn't lay flat enough. So what we're gonna do, tuck them wings in there. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, serve as a binder. Get it on the legs too. Get this turkey flipped over. Ooh, man, boy, that's a nice looking turkey. Laying out flat like that, it's gonna get smoked right inside the Lone Star Grill. And I'm gonna be using, of course, my sexy chicken. Sexy chicken goes good with just about everything. And if you're looking to do a turkey, it goes good even on that. So we'll get this bad boy seasoned up. Start off with the wings. There we go. Nice even layer. Gonna come out nice and golden brown. And this turkey chicken, it just smells so good. Take a look at the inside right there, what them flakes look like, that seasoning. I mean, it is absolutely delicious. And we're gonna put it back in the fridge, let it season up. And I gotta get a brisket out. I got a brisket inside the LSG right now. A friend of mine called me and says, "Hey, can you cook me a brisket?" I was like, "Yeah, sure, man. Why not?" So that's what we're doing today. We're cooking a brisket over there, and we're doing us a turkey. Looks nice and beautiful. We're gonna get this bad boy put back inside the fridge, get it ready for the smoker. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, let's go ahead and put this turkey in the smoker. We're gonna be running this smoker for around 275, and we're gonna cook this turkey until it hits an internal temperature of about 165, 170, right at the breast. So that should be ready to go. Let me show you what this thing looks like before we put it in there. Look at that. Ain't that a gorgeous looking turkey? It's gonna be delicious, guys. We're gonna put it right here, right on this shelf, right where the brisket was at. And right there it goes. We're gonna put this temp probe right in the fattest part of the breast. And we're just gonna monitor it till it reaches that 165, and we'll be ready to eat, guys. You guys stay tuned. It's gonna be good. Hey guys, just wanted to show you how I lit my Lone Star Grill offset smoker. I am using the new grill gun that's out. This little bad boy right here is so much fun to light your grill, and not only does it look cool, but it lights it up so fast. It can take a propane bottle here. You can attach the 8-foot hose and attach it to a 20-pound tank, and it just makes absolutely lighting your smoker, your grill, you name it, just so much fun. If you guys are interested in one of these, check out the grill gun at grillblazer.com. Use J.P.BBQ as a discount code, and you'll get a 10% discount on this. Go ahead and get you one, or get one for that loved one in your life. So much fun to lighten it. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's go ahead and get this turkey out of here. I think she's about done. Let's take a look at it. Ooh-wee. Would you look at that? That is one gorgeous turkey. And boy, the juices are just dripping. Let me get this out of here. Ooh, tender. I'm gonna probe it. That was my other temp probe, but I'm gonna probe it with this, my new Javelin temp probe, and see what the temperature says. 155 there. For some reason, I think she's still a little bit under. Yep. 149. Nope. This side's a little higher, 159. She's still got a little bit to go, guys. But that's what she looks like. She looks gorgeous. We'll put this temp probe right back in here. Might have hit a bone or something. Give me a false reading. But we just got a few more degrees to go, and she'll be ready. Guys, this turkey's done. It's time to give it a little taste test and see what it's all about. I am gonna cut into it right up here on this breast, and get me a little piece right here. There we go. Ooh, man, look at that. A beautiful, beautiful smoked white meat. That nice glazed barbecue sauce on top. Ooh, almost dropped it. Let's give it a try. It's tender for sure. Oh my God. The barbecue sauce. Gives it that little extra flavor. I'm sorry I'm talking with my mouth full, but man, this is good. Just a beautiful white meat came out of it. Let's see. See what this chicken leg looks like. Oh, not chicken leg. This turkey quarter. Ooh, yes, sir. Comes off nice and easy. Got a nice, beautiful color to it. Just gorgeous. I'm going to cut this thigh right off. Right here. See if I can find that bone. There it is. Put that piece over here. And here's what the thigh looks like. Just taking on a beautiful smoke color in the turkey. And it tastes absolutely delicious. Guys, if you haven't tried my products yet, I'm going to put a link down below. And it'll pop up right there as well. J.P.BBQ.com. Go check out my store. Got a bunch of barbecue rubs and sauces. You guys go and get you some. But besides that, I appreciate you guys very much. Oh, don't forget, hit that little subscribe button right there. I appreciate you guys again. Thanks a lot. And I will see you on the next cookout. You guys take care. I'm going to eat some turkey.